This ain't just a song, this a reflection of reality. Life in this uncharted ghetto that we call home, Idaho City, yeah. So as we proceed to educate your kids to appreciate this rap shit, ain't no stopping us now. So listen to my speech, the top is life is a bitch. I'm dodging like a bridge, they gon' catch me sailing like the Grinch. I'ma mess up your Xmas, I'm tired of kicking up dust, I'm tired of taking the bus to get to my girlfriend's house. So you see me on the street a pedestrian, the same man on the track a magician. Understand this is verbal ammunition for
now he king of the Hadi hustle from the west side, trying to make a mess. Homie, mong nasol na kong at duda takapot ng flow kakaplet nila for home dream natin na dapin hey ako'y fere lumay ko na car from a sailing in but some untrained na din sa white clean mahigit na songin hey akalasere. I know why you envy me, cause I'm the MVP and I'm the baddest and the hottest. That's who I am, got that always be for real. I'm not living in a world of fantasy. We catch you, you can't run.
I'm more like a target that I could shoot at, and I will bullet with my verbal attack. I know I don't even need a track. It goes boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that's the track.
You already know the dirty.
Yo, it's time for me to shine, homie. You know who I am. I'm making history. The apparition of G, after what seems to be a century, vengeance is mandatory. I'm an avenging phoenix, I rise from the ashes, now I'm back on the surface. Reflame the fire and make it burn in the furnace. Marijuana enhancing my concentration and right in the mind, a form of terrorism. I'm terrorizing the street. Revolution won't be televised, we keep it discreet. Freedom of speech, motherfucker, it's my freedom of speech.
So like the singer him to nghe làm sao cả hậu ruộng cần thì bằng hít to nghe hít về sao cả hậu ta ni cần làm cái tu này cần làm man một phái để ôn chu lưu hồ ula voi cần na sang khát đại lo làm tổ cái sa li khéng lo mas tổ cái sa u cho lăng oh. If you really want it, I'm about to let it go. Voi khát in phụ na cần ngay là lâu xe voi khát muốn na cái sẽ bị lâu lẽ vì tăng lại cuộc sống là mình cần làm mà vì đã tìm đàn ăn lối hành giá xin là ta đã chỉ là thân mùa là tăng niềm mình mà các xiang thầy tổ đầu tu kháng nghe cái ít ta khá ta đã chỉ là thân mùa là tăng niềm mình mà các xiang thầy tổ đầu tu kháng nghe cái ít ta.
Look at the city that rap is truly dominated. Whether you in it or against it, it don't matter, we want it so you can love it or hate it. But don't you ever try to fake it. Feel the magic, you see my shit is hypnotic. Now take the music and use it, let it be the food for your spirit. They gave you my lyrics and labeled it a little too explicit. Take a minute to listen close to my shit, sophisticated like a microchip. See, I've been going back and forth, up and down this lonely road, till I struck a fucking chord. Now I've been raising controversies like Da Vinci Code. Don't give a shit, call us whatever you want, a bunch of juvenile delinquents with a little pop influence, busting on any motherfucker opposing it. Affiliated with these gangsters and thugs that I recruited, even though we separated, we back and reunited for the love of the music. It's a new hip-hop show for you, we call it Rap. And I'm your host G, the rapaholic. Yo, you gotta check this out, this shit is rap, man, this is rap-a-damic. Spreading like plaque, yo split, start the shit.
And we make a big spin right here, baby. You already know the dirty. Hey. Somebody will come and step up to the flow. Time for the show, you gotta see for more. When the boys say they go, say we go low. How long we the dance, say we don't know. Tell me what you got, go shake that ass. We ain't got much time, so move it fast. You know the streets say the baddest missa. Mali thu tùy ra sông hakal kanika. Tu ra lo yeh ta la poi yang mila. Mali chim na mali lo pay fan sin la. Tu le sai nghe là song song hey kan xuyên à. Ý sinh là chỉ lo tay đầu ý sinh kan môi na. Girls saying how, what you gon' do now? We hit the spot and let me show you how. It's like this, see me dog. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Good feel about ski, sipping on some whiskey. Girl, if you want, then come and join me. Try to grab my ball, say that's too risky. I'm really technical, you wanna feel me? You wanna be the hustle, give me things I told you. I think a lot of people talking shit about who are coming with. Hey, you better be ready to feel the heat. And you gotta pump it up on this dirty beat. Hey, you gotta take a step back to the beat, shawty. Cause it's so hot, I like the way you move your body. Hold your hands up, keep your head up. Dirty G's, go switch your style up.
Yeah.
You already know what it is. You get the genie. You know that I'm a villain who's a hero. Burn the city down like Nero when I spit in the missiles. So here we go. You hate the zelf so young. In fact, it's yet so pian. My ten is yet more young. When you do that chip like hian. Work it up on the mother. Think about yet the lumbian. So fun let up the pool up and bar. Like a bar. So I cut. In the up one. I turn to see a hungry for the cut. Fuck no bar. Rock the sword. Got like a simple lever. Look at rock and wild out every word. The hero talk. Zero talk. Very talk. A tear talk. Hear the word. And then hear me feel me feeling. Now we kill what. Rely let out a rim let ra a rap is how and hum hey. A somber jungle and motor trying to separate a kwong guy. You know the name is Genie, also known as my Pawh.
Down with the flow, you be ready for the show. Hey, put it below from side to side. Make that ass boogie cause the night is hot. Put it like a 24, wanna see hustle it. Play dirty, feel it, freely, drop it like it's hot. And they see me on the TV, hit it, double shot. We speak it friendly, we know we can be the dominators of the ACL. Girls wanna dance with a warm blooded maid. Gotta know that we can dance on the head.
I'm Dr. Henry Jekyll.
Get up, don't let up. Yeah, I know you're fed up, but you're not gonna mess up. Now stand up, look in the mirror. Reflection was right terror, but it's not a stranger, come see clearer. Remember me, Genie, you and me, we be together forever. Through any weather, now don't get soft and mushy. We don't wanna chicken out, now do we? Till we get back at those bullies. Or Tupac to your victim, for you killing them, kinda like a villain. The movie lasting they hear is revenge, just like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Get mad cause it should be, oh yes, you can do this. Di mo hulong, wait, I'm gonna say, but ang huningun ng poiro.
Been a long time but now I'm back. For all the fake motherfuckers, here comes your doomsday. I'm your worst nightmare and I'm starting to play. Have you got any thoughts on who you fuck with? Told you punks not to mess around, but the balls is up and it going down. I see suckers playing and it make my dick itch. Yourself gold OG's house, this sounds bitch. Feeling like you're on the block and can handle a 40 cops. Can't get a better one and give me a shot. You pretend to be real, which tells you fake. Then I'ma blow your face when I said those bitches go. Kanung na hian, hey ho vera. Limit long na tin reng a song trina. Maliti sa nung na song in leirong kapol. Ing malung khang tang reng leiro rin ru eng thol. Taka si malenga, ka layin. Lung may peton trale rum na rama min shuay. Suta kara mangan na klipuyin min nuay. Kathalong nga yung pagro na lamtuang a soa. Minne shitang rengan ong low hey ho vera. Nena kan nusuay kin na katnukat sa. Mange hian kalan pa, kan nge na se. Kung ay nakatilan sa mingay dam roo o kang nun na kaklaraw ko'y namangi itan so na kong turso ay inhole sa tuwan larang luto tuhyan ka famang mo kathalay nung tekahan au kirte iseo